In Switzerland, a Russian complains that he was beaten for recording a video in Russian. And while he was complaining, he was hit by another Swiss. Good job.
Прямо сейчас я заходил на фан-сектор. И позади меня человек, и он мне ногой бьет по моей ноге. Со всей дури. И потом мне говорит, удали это. Я просто шокирован. Я приехал в Швейцарию.
And in Sydney, about 1,500 Russians who previously fled from the Russian world took part in a rally in support of Russia and the war in Ukraine. Australians, you have Z swastikas in your country, are you sleeping? Biden and Zelensky calmly walk around Kyiv during the alarm, Hollywood style. Joe Biden has just arrived in the capital of Ukraine, and while we were filming, an air raid siren just started.
So behind me there's a massive cavalcade of security vehicles have arrived. The word on the street is the security is so intense, I've never seen anything like it since I've been in Kyiv throughout the whole of the big war, that Joe Biden is in town. That's the word on the street, and what you're hearing is the air raid sirens going off. That means that the Russian bombers, Russian missiles coming to Kyiv. And the President of the United States, we believe, is in town. Bloody hell.
This is a dump of Russian destroyed and damaged military equipment in the village of Biruch, Belgorod region. 2 T-80BV, 2 T-72B3, 1 T-72B, 1 BTR-82, 2 BMP-2, BRM-1K, BTR-80, MRLS Grad and Hurricane MRLS can reportedly be seen. And this is not from Ukraine. It's panic at the Turkish Hatay airport during a new earthquake.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.